angel, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be testing out the new Conceal and Define foundation by Revolution. I'm gonna see if it's any good. I'm gonna be doing a wear test as well. I want to see if it's any good. I said that before, but obviously it's new, it has to be tested, and let's see how that goes. Let's get into it. I've already primed my eyes, I've done my eyebrows, I've put moisturizer on my face, so I'm gonna be doing my eyes. Speaking of which, I'm gonna be trying out this palette. I just got it. I don't think it's one of the new collection, it might be, I'm not sure. Anyways, I have the Velvet Rose, one of the Reloaded palette, and I loved it. I really do love it. I think it's a dupe. I'm not sure. Something tells me it is. But anyways, I think it's a dupe of the Soft Glam palette, and I also think this one is, and I really do love that palette. As in, take a look at this. Take a look at this. See how beautiful it is. So I'm gonna be trying this out as well today. As in, I can't wait to dig in. Really, I can't wait. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the Morphe M535 brush. I'll be using that to apply my crease shade. Okay, I will be going for French Girls, and I'll be putting that in my crease. I'm using this as my transition shade. Listen, we all know I'm blind as a bat, so obviously I cannot see unless the mirror is literally in my face. So I'm sorry if you guys can't see anything, so I'm so sorry. Mind you, I don't know what look I'm going for today, so we're just winging it. Oh wow. Ooh. This shade is pigmented. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be using one of my MSQ brushes, and I'm gonna take Berry All. By the way, this palette smells amazing. I think it smells like milk chocolate. It smells like that. It's so beautiful. I don't eat chocolate. I've got sensitive teeth. But doesn't mean I can't smell it. I'm taking one of the smaller blending brushes. Oh, blending brush. I'm gonna be using that to pick. I think I will use Brazen. Either Brazen or in the sheets, one of those. Okay, I'm gonna mix the two shades together. I'm gonna use in the sheets and Brazen, and I'll apply that just in my crease. That's right above my crease. I'm blending. I don't know if it's visible. I hope you can see. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Into the shade Berry All. And I'm going to use that to diffuse the edge of the other ones. Now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm gonna be using the Jordana eyeshadow primer, made to last eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. I'll be mixing that with my Revolution Pro full coverage concealer, just to give it some sort of color. And I'm gonna use both to cut my crease. I'm gonna be using the shade Candlelit. I'm gonna be putting that on my lid. I'm using the shade Stripped Down. I'm putting that at the outer third of my lid. I'm taking one of the MSQ brushes as well. I wish these brushes actually has names, but they don't. So I'm taking the shade Ooh Natural or Eau Natural. I am French, I don't know. I'm gonna be getting a fluffier brush to diffuse the two colors together. I don't have any product on this. This has no product on it. So I'm gonna be diffusing the two colors together. In the spirit of keeping it all in the family, I'm gonna be going in with Revolution Pro Featherweight Primer. I'm not sure if this is my shade. It says it's a neutral undertone, right? But I've got a golden undertone, so I don't know how that is gonna work. But I checked Tammy's video because I know she's slightly lighter than I am, and she used 13.5, so I'm guessing I should be that shade as well. I'm not sure. But so far so good. I'm guessing by the time I go in with concealer, everything's gonna blend in together. It's coming up a bit darker for me. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? I don't know, I can't see anything. Okay. Let me put on my glasses because I cannot see. Yeah, it's quite neutral for me. A bit too neutral. But I think it might be my shade. Anyway, maybe it's just me. It says it's a full coverage foundation, but I have this blemish here, like a dark mark here, and it's not covering it. I decided to go in with another coat of foundation. Although it doesn't bother me, I'm not really a full foundation, a full coverage foundation kind of person. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be wearing a full coat because I want to know if it's actually full coverage. Like, I want to know if it's gonna be able to cover my sins and shit. You know what I mean? I'll be going in with the new super size concealer. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this. I love this. I love the fact that, trust me, I love the other one. I love the smaller one, right? And now that they have a super sized one, trust me, I was in shock really, because I sort of kind of guessed that they would do something like that, but I'm glad that they did. I am so glad that they did. It's the shade 12.5. Because of how neutral the foundation is, I'm gonna be going in with the Collections Lasting Perfection Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Deep 5. I decided to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Hey, I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. If you're wondering what's on my lips, I used the I Have Makeup Lip Lava and their Wow Gloss with the Revolution lip liner in it, the shade Exempt. So that's the combination of my lips right now. So I'm actually going out now. So I want to know if this foundation lasts long or not. The shade is not exactly right for me. I think it's a bit too neutral. I might have to like do another video on a different foundation, like a different shade. But for now, this is what I've got. I'm gonna do a wet test on this. I'm going to a party, so I'm gonna be doing like check-ins to find out if this is good or not. But so far so good. I'm liking it because it's like, yeah, it is a full coverage foundation from what I can see. Out of everything, I love the eyes. The eyes is beautiful. And those are good. Well, so far so good, right? So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna be checking in. Like, I don't know how long I'm gonna be wearing this for, but give or take at least 8 hours or maybe 5 hours. But so far so good. I love the finish of it. It's very matte. It's very matte. If you've got dry skin, I'm not sure you're gonna like this foundation. I'm not sure. But if you don't, if you've got oily skin, anybody that's got oily skin is gonna definitely love this. Definitely. So I'm gonna see how this holds. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi, I'm checking in again. I wanna see, well, it's been over 4 hours now and the foundation is still holding up. It's still okay, as in no separation, no nothing, is still holding up. So let's see if it holds up till 12 hours at least. But it's full coverage, like I said, and it's okay. I'll check back in a little while, then we'll see how that goes. Oh, hi everyone. It's been nearly 8 hours and the foundation is still holding up. It's really obvious this is not my right shade because it's the wrong undertone, but it looks really good. The only difference is there's been a separation around my nose area because I've been wearing my glasses. So, but aside from that, the foundation is still holding up. As in, I've been at the barbecue for a long time now and it's still okay. So far so good. Yeah, it's not, you guys just forget the shade because it's not my shade, it's not the right shade. But so far so good though. Like, it's holding up. It's holding up really good. No separation, no nothing. It's safe to say that this is a very good foundation, even for oily skin. I've been sweating and it's okay, like it's still there. Like, I'm really loving this. I'm gonna definitely pick up the F13 shade. I think that's gonna be my right shade. But so far so good. I'm loving what I'm seeing right now. Well done, Revolution, well done. This is superb. You guys really do need to work on the shade though, but take a look at this. And my eyes are still there. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Promise say you go treat me well, give me good love and no be kiss.